frequently see repetitive numbers these days. Yeah, if I see like 222 and 333, if I see repetitive numbers, I take it as you're on the good path. You're on a good path. And it's mostly true. Yeah, everything has meaning if you give it meaning. Yeah. Yeah, be careful what you give meaning to. You can give meaning to a look of a stranger in the streets, and that can ruin your whole day. But the reality is that person is suffering, not you. It has nothing to do with you. They are full of emotional poison and they don't know what to do with it. And then that's why they are looking at you like you are to blame for everything in their life, fucking 9 to 5 job and this matrix and whatever. Like, that's not on you. That's not on you. And if you give it meaning, your whole day can go to the toilet. But then also be careful not to become nihilistic, where nothing has meaning. Then it becomes everything is gray and nothing's worthwhile. And so if everything has meaning, then you become an anxious, or blowing everything out of proportion. Everything is panic, everything is drama, everything is, oh my god, what happened? Oh my god, that happened. Oh my god, that person this, that person that. So if everything is meaningful, then you won't have a second of rest in your life. And everything somebody tells you, every single look somebody gives you, every little change in your environment will be, what the fuck is happening? But then, of course, if nothing has meaning, then you might as well just put yourself in a coma and just be on a respirator, because why would you be alive? So you need to find that balance between certain things have meaning for you and certain things are to be ignored, because there's only so much you can pay attention to in a day. There's only so much that you can give your energy to in a day. So be wise.